Yo, what's up, guys? So, you want to know how to convert your image to an STL file for 3D printing? It's really easy and simple. What you have to do is go to Google Chrome, then type in image to stl.com. Hit enter. It's gonna take you to this website. You're gonna upload the file. So, I'll choose, for example, this image. You can change all the standards you want, so like the tool, detail, base, unit, width, height, and depth. And then when you're all set, you're gonna click on convert to STL. You're gonna wait for it to process. It's gonna take some time, about 10 seconds. And after that, it will be complete. You're gonna click on download, remove the ads, and just like that, it will start downloading your STL file. After it's downloaded, you're gonna enter to it and take the STL file out of the box, and you should be ready to print it. And that's it.